Good morning, students. It is week 9, and we're on to Unit 7, the blue planet. I'm really excited about this unit. I love our planet. I love talking about the cycles and the consequences of our human interactions and how we can interact better on our planet. This BioBeyond is taking the lens of, if we are alone, what does that mean for life on Earth? Have you ever thought about that? The question that students will explore in this hub is, if we are alone in the universe, what does that mean for life on Earth? Why is Earth such a special place, being the only planet we know of to sustain life, and will always be able to support life? They call sometimes Earth the Goldilocks planet. Can you think of why? We have exactly the right conditions that we know of for life. But could there be other conditions that would support life? And especially looking at water, is water the key feature that would indicate that there is a potential for life? Do you need water for that? You hear someone squeaking in the background. I want you to meet. Just a little one. His name's Coyote. This is what happened to me over spring break. So she will be helping out teacher classes. Do you remember we learned a little bit about coyotes? They're what we call fission-fusion species, so they can both be together in their pack and they can also go out on their own. And they also like to walk on the edge. They like to be on the edge of environments. What else do you know of on the edge? Think about that for the next week. All right, let's dive back into our lesson. We'll play their video here. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of different questions here. So I wonder what you think about that. Little pre-discussion. What stood out for you? The origin of life. What is intelligent life? What is consciousness? How do we define us versus them? We're looking outside of ourselves for life. And I like what he said, for all practical purposes. Is it practical to think about if there's life on other planets? Does it matter? Is it just a fascinating coffee chat conversation? Or could it have real implications for humans? And I like that. We're going to learn some facts and you're going to learn what to do with them. So we'll start and we'll dive in by learning some of these facts, and we'll get to have some of these conversations in our live lesson, and I'll make a path on the wonderment to preload some of your ideas here as well.